5 fascinating facts about Kaziranga National Park you must know. 1. Kaziranga is home to the majestic Indian one-horned rhinoceros, a symbol of conservation success. 2. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts diverse ecosystems, including grasslands and wetlands. 3. Kaziranga hosts the largest population of one-horned rhinos, making it a vital conservation area. 4. The park's conservation efforts have led to a remarkable increase in wildlife populations over the years. 5. Kaziranga's rich biodiversity includes tigers, elephants, and numerous bird species, attracting nature lovers. Learn more about Kaziranga and its unique wildlife by